wants to go on there. He's going to get his mop out in a minute.
I'm not going on there.
So he's just at the top.
Yeah, Curly's right at the top now, can you see? Here he goes.
Comes.
Outside lane.
Oh.
Oh, he's jumped over his ring. Curly's just gobbed it. We're going up the town in a minute, you coming?
Yeah, I will.
Having fun?
You're going to have like 1 or 2 more goes, not one.
Okay. So it looks like it's a bit of a hit for Dig Bear with the water slide, and then we're going to go up into the town, aren't we, in a minute?
To think he didn't want to come.
No, we didn't.
I never thought my idea of going away, right, would be to go and have a look at how clean the toilet blocks are.
That's where we're heading now. We're just going to head over
to the toilet blocks. This is the highlight of our day, filming a toilet block. Brilliant.
Well, we've got to check out the facilities, haven't we?
We've got to do it for you guys. So.
It's a lovely day. Look at that sky, Greg. Barbecue weather.
Oh, definitely the Barbie's on later. It's about 4 o'clock, I reckon.
Oh, I reckon as
How
well.
do we get up there? Keep walking.
Well, I think we can cut through if you want to go this
You're
way.
not meant to go through that's their pitches.
Oh, right, okay. We've got showers, toilets, wash basin to wash all your dishes and cups and plates and everything. We've got a waste area over here, recycled and other waste, all next to each other. And we're just going to go and head up and have a look at the shop. There's a bit of a clubhouse on site as well. And I do believe that we're going to be playing a bit of bingo at 6:30.
Yeah, I'll do the weightlifting. I'll go and do a bit of weightlifting.
Yeah.
And she does the
Dabbing.
dabbing.
Children's play area over there, so if you want to bring your kids here, it's always something for them to do. Keep them happy, stop them from moaning. And over here, we've got the shop.
So well kept this site.
It is really tidy.
I'll be honest,
I've never been to a campsite before where people have obviously got the seasonal pitches, but they've got the mower out.
They're all mowing their own sections everywhere.
Crazy.
There's some sections, obviously, they haven't been down this season or whatever, but
It's only the start of the season. The weather's only just started picking up, hasn't it? So
I think we're going to go and have a cup of tea here.
reckon.
Yeah.
Come on then. Greg getting himself a nice cup of tea.
No, thank you.
Let's see what he makes of his tea, eh? Thank you for my Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
Ford Capri Sun. Is that a Ford Capri Sun? So I'm going to have a cup of tea. And it's not a pot. In a pot, I'm afraid. But I haven't got my mic on. Is yours on?
Yours is on.
Mine's not on. Yours is. Oh, here we go. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Here we go, look.
You're an half messer, aren't you?
That's how you do a tea. Okay. So dishwashing area I've just noticed around the corner.
Oh yeah. There was one of them over at the toilet block as well.
Oh, is that? It's handy, isn't it, for washing the dishes?
Yeah.
Dishwashing area. We haven't really investigated everything so far. I mean, it's quite a big site, reasonable.
Oh, we've only just set up really, haven't we?
Yeah.
So there's plenty of time to explore and show them a bit more.
Drop a tea, wet the whistle.
I suppose you haven't got a beer.
Oh no. Not yet. Give it another 20 minutes. Now we've got to go up the strip first. Club.
No. Dickhead.
We're going to go up the strip, have a walk up and down. Curly wants to go on the one-arm bandits. And we're just going to have a walk up and down and then come back. We're going to drive up there because it's about half an hour walk. And we've done enough walking today as it is. And we've got plenty more adventures to come up in this video, so make sure you keep watching to the end.
Right, so we've got Diamond Farm Calf. I'm just having a look at the menu now. It looks quite a nice menu. There's a few things on there. Greg's going to come up for a breakfast in the morning, I think. I think he's going to go for the mega. Have a look at that. Or you can build your own, have a sandwich, anything on toast. They've got a children's menu, a lighter bites menu. And then we've got the main meals. Pizza. The toilets. Here they are. This is the outside. Let's go and see the inside. Menu. Asda crispy breaded chicken goujons. We have some Westerways honey roast pork sausages. We have some Asda lean pork loin medallions, and we have some pork belly slices.
From Asda. We've just been to the toilet, and the toilets are superb. I could have had my dinner in there. Is that clean? I wouldn't have, but there's no smell. They're clean as a whistle. Honestly, I nearly sat down and had a wee. Oh.
On the barber. What do you want first, Greg?
We better put the pork bellies on, I suppose.
Oh, pork bellies. There you go. Pork belly.
Get these babies on.
You're always starving. Starving Marvin. So what happened there, Greg?
Well, one of these pork bellies, I didn't realise was still alive, and it jumped off.
Oh, so it weren't you?
No, it jumped off.
Of course it weren't you.
Says in the van, sorting all the cobs out.
A few cobs. Bit of red sauce. Bit of garlic mayo.
Yes, there it is.
Extra hot.
Just exactly where I left it. That's our setup for this evening. Let's get back to the barbecue.
Right, my barbecue.
Load of burnt sausages, burnt pork belly, burnt pork loins, and then burnt goujons. But that's the way we like it.